1000, 1000, 1000. Blank. In blank,
20.
we will add 20 microliter distilled water. First you finished. Second, standard. This is our standard bottle.
20.
Now see, concentration is written here. STD 8 gram per deciliter. So no need to ask anybody. Everything is mentioned there. Why this is called a standard? Why? This is a standard. What is the meaning of standard?
Concentration.
Suppose you are going
Basic something.
going Sabia from this medical college to Sabia. So from medical college to Sabia is 35 kilometers. That is your standard. From any other position, it will be more than 35 or more than less than 35. So standard means we should know the concentration. Okay, the concentration malum. So here we know the concentration 8 gram per deciliter. But if I will take blood from you or from anybody, we don't know the concentration of total protein in his blood. Okay, to know the concentration in the blood of Khalid or anybody or Abdullah or anybody, what we will do? First we will take the blood sample from the particular person. After that we will allow to clot the blood. After clotting the blood, we will centrifuge it. Then we will separate the serum. After separating serum, we will take the reagent. After taking the reagent, we'll add the serum. So we know the concentration of this, and we don't know the concentration of your patient. So you will take the sample from the patient and mix with the reagent. Then you will get the optical density. T. Absorbance of T means your optical density.
When you take blood from patient, don't mix with it.
That I am telling you, no? First, put blank in the spectrophotometer, adjust the machine. Okay? Transmittance 100%, absorbance 0. After this, remove blank, put your standard. Okay? So your reading will come. Suppose your standard reading is 0.275. Okay? Your optical density of standard is 0.275, and this is your sample. If your sample reading is 0.190, okay? This is just example. Then you will multiply this by 8. Excuse me, why we are multiplying with 8? Because the concentration of your standard is 8. After this, you can calculate the level of the total protein. Yes.
Constant this.
Yes, for this test, constant.
هذا
Okay.
ثابت مكتوب 8.
What is your level of total protein in the blood?
إلا مكتوب 8.
Excuse me. What is normal range? Normal range of total protein.
و16
6 to 8 gram per deciliter.
لا بس نورمال اوف
This is normal
هذا
range.
النورمال في الجسم.
Normal value.
حق البروتين
في الدم صح؟
If your value is coming 5, then hypoproteinemia. If your value is coming 9, hyperproteinemia. If your value is coming 6 to 8, then your value is normal. Okay, this is normal. This is hyper. This is hypo. Okay. Okay. Wait. Why you are talking too much? Okay. If hypo, then what will happen?
This main inflammation in liver.
This will happen due to low protein rich food or poor diet. This is indicating people is not taking good food. They is suffering from diet problem. Okay. Normal means Normal means
No problem.
there is no problem. If hyper, again this will cause inflammation in the liver or kidney problem also. Here also liver and kidney problem, but this is also related with nutritional problem.
That's yes.
Clear? So neither we have hypoproteinemia nor we should suffer from hyperproteinemia. Both the condition will create problem to us. So we should maintain the level of the normal protein level.
Kidney and the
Liver. So we should maintain the normal level of the total protein. Otherwise, liver problem. Okay. Then kidney problem. Then nutritional problem. Nutrition means akil maafi koi. Here cirrhosis, maybe hepatitis, maybe some other types of chronic dehydration. Okay, dehydration. Okay, dehydration means excessive removing of water from the body. We should maintain the level of water in our body. Okay, it varies from 60 to 95% water molecule in our body. If dehydration, then water level will be reduced. If water level will be reduced, again patient will suffer from dehydration. So if patient is suffering from dehydration, what we are doing? We are giving them saline water from outside along with the zinc, and this zinc is responsible to retain the water in the body. Okay? Now start your experiment.
يا سعد يا اخي
ما هي بين
دقيقة
انا اسال حمول هذا اسال
ايوه وهذا دحين معاد هذه 8
هذه ذكر سنه في المستوى اللي فات
اوكي خلاص
بس العدد الثابت
8 ثابت يا مكتوب
يعني دائما اضرب في 100
8
في 8 اخذ الرقم التي
8 هذه ثابت
صح من الجهه
ايوه 8 ثابت
Okay, make two group. One goes that side, another will come this side.
جزء انا اقول لك شيء اسمه ناس هنا ناس تروح هنا وناس تروح
Take two pipette, 3 cuvette.
سعد
طيب لما
تعال معنا
جوال ان شاء الله كسر
ما تقولنا كله مقطع واحد
Take this one this side.
طيب قاعد لا لا
يا ولد
هذا كنت تعرفون تستخدمون دول اللي نسينا
صراف اللي والله ما
دقيقة في واحد ابو 1000 هذه
خلي يطلع عند وياك بعدين
الريح صور
الثاني انا تعبت
هذا تمرين
رجال موسى صح
انت في الثروه
لا عندك ما صح طيب اعطينا
هذا راسي يا اخي شو اللي سد هذا
عشان تتحمس من ذاك لما تشوفه
والله صادق والله صادق هنا هنا بلون اصفر
انت ما شوف عندنا
لا 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 في مصفر يا اخي شوف هنا لونه هنا ابلك اصفر ارجونا لازم معاه